Yeah, it's being comfortable saying, I don't have to look like everybody else. I don't have to look like the status quo. I don't have to say what everybody else says. I don't have to have the same skin color, the same haircut, the same, I don't have to wear the suit and tie. I can be myself, and it's okay. And that's really powerful, set of self-esteem tools that people have to grow and develop over their lifetimes.
Well, we now have a shark-like, or perhaps even more accurately, a piranha-like social media climate. And I want to really go into some depth about this, Dr. John Eliot, because if you have an opinion today, and most of us are on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, etc., you are putting yourself, and if you're successful, even worse, then you are liable, you are susceptible, you are vulnerable to intense, very often unfair criticism.